Thank you, Alexander. So, good morning, everybody. I would like to give you a short introduction about this webinar. The webinar is about a guide for policymakers and other stakeholders for developing better frameworks for EPC compliance and enforcement. And I would like to make a short introduction what the challenge is. The Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, the EPBD, sets requirements regarding energy efficiency in buildings. The Energy Performance Certificate, the EPC, is a key document to prove compliance with requirements. However, legislation will only be effective if people follow the rules, and in short, it means that enforcement is necessary. There are two elements, namely checking is needed to identify those not complying with the rules and to identify the type of non-compliance, and something is needed to convince people that it is better to obey the rules than not to comply. So compliance and enforcement framework consists of three parts. First, clear which must be followed. Second, clear procedures for checking compliance with the rules. And third, clear procedures for sanctioning in case of non-compliance. An enforcement framework costs money. And therefore, the key question is how to design and implement an effective and affordable framework for EPC compliance and enforcement. And this webinar serves to tackle exactly this question. We have a presentation about a good example from Belgium and Europe as such. So this will be the presentation by Xavier Loncourt. And we have a presentation about the QUALICHeCK Source Book on EPC compliance. I will do that presentation in the second part of the webinar. So talking today is about compliance frameworks, which is a set of processes for attaining accordance with established regulations, specifications, or legislations. The presentation will provide some input for developing effective compliance and enforcement frameworks. So that was it for the introduction, and hand over to Xavier to start with the first presentation.